Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today I'm going to open up a couple more Welly 124 scale vehicles. But this is the 60th Anniversary Limited Edition McLarens. Now these came out possibly last year, beginning of this year. Not sure. They did sit on the shelf, at least the grey one there, sat on the shelf for quite some time. The gold one, I don't remember them being too many of them, but I figured I'd actually pick them up, especially when they went on sale. So let's start with the grey one here. So this one did sit on the shelf for a number of months, and the price was reduced, and I picked up a second one. Main reason is I thought, you know what, I could repaint that. I could strip it down, repaint it, rebuild it, and or I could potentially use those wheels for other models. So if I took those off and put them on other 124 scale vehicles that I want to modify, it was a cheap way of doing it because they reduced the price. Sorry McLaren, but your car sat for a while on the shelf. Maybe they supplied or oversupplied my area with too many, but they're all gone now. So these have been gone for a while, and I'm a bit slow at making up a YouTube channel to show it, but we're here now. So McLaren 675LT. We do have 60 on it with the McLaren swoosh, I guess you'd call it. And this is the first time me opening and having a look at it. Like I said, I have two of these particular grey ones, and I may undo the 60th anniversary and change the colour of it. Now this seems to be the same as all the other next stuff. Yeah, alright, so we can undo these. Hold that there. For a 124 scale car though, they came out quite reasonably priced. Not going to keep the box, not interested in doing that. Limited edition. No, yeah, Anniversary Limited Edition. Okay, cool. That's the model of the car, not... Hang on, let's get this back in. Get that out of the way. That's of the vehicle, but the model car here I don't think is a limited edition. It didn't have a number on it, so I think it's just commemorating the actual vehicle being a limited edition. See if we can get this tape off. Yep, alright, so that holds the doors in place. Get you out of the way. It's not going to let go of me. Alright. Looks like the front latch comes open with a couple of stickers on, and how we're going to get this other one out. These actually don't come off too bad. The first one of these that I opened on channel kind of, I was worried it might actually peel off some of the decals, but no, they don't do that. Alright, so this door automatically wants to come open because I'm holding it from underneath. So you can see that the door, if we go this way, where are we? The door actually forms part of the floor there. So if I push on it, up it goes. So decent gull wing doors. Yep, this one actually feels fairly loose. See if we can, yep. Although it does hold up there. No, wait, there we go, it's dropping. Rear of the car, we have McLaren written there. The wing is partially up. May actually be meant to be like that all the time. Oops, almost hit the camera with that. On the front, we have McLaren written there. Obviously the 60 and the swoosh. Our orange stripes all the way down. Decent body kit. Guessing that's part of the anniversary part. Now, how do we get this one open? It looks like it wants to open, and the fact that we have the sticky there, and I don't have enough fingernail. Oh, I'm worried I'm going to put a blade in there. Let's see what we can do without taking paint off. This is probably a stupid move. No, I'm not going to do that. I do have a little plastic lift bit somewhere, but I don't know how I'm going to get these. I don't have enough fingernails. This one, my longest fingernail. That's what happens when you chop them all down. No. Can we, I can't even shake it. Wow. Okay. We're not getting underneath there. Doesn't go the other way, does it? No. We're not getting underneath the front on this particular vehicle, and I'm sure it just has the storage compartment in there. As far as the engine goes, though, we do have a couple of chrome, silver? Yeah, chrome pieces in there for some detail. And look at that door, just doesn't want to sit shut. I think I have an idea for those stickers that I peeled off. Close that and sticker. All right, door's shut now. Underneath we have, it was actually last year, so 47 of 23 release, and McLaren 6, no, okay, that didn't hold it. No, the sticky doesn't hold very well. Look, it's going to sit on the shelf. I'm not too worried about it. We'll leave that off. I don't play with my cars like I used to when I was very young. So we do have, though, a 675LT written there. Can I get that on camera? On the carbon fibre part of the door. Do we have the same on the other side? We do too. There we go. Forever Forward written there. All right, let's have a look at the other one as well. Gold one. Now, this says 124, but wow, this looks so much bigger. Maybe it's the wheels? I don't know. The wheels look much larger than there, but that may only be because they're silver. Oh yeah, I forgot to show. These have yellow calipers and silver drilled out brake discs. All right, where's my blade? I'm sure everybody before was yelling at me going, no, don't use the knife. But I did think about it. If I did scratch it, I'd be like, well, that's the one I'm painting. Since I have two of them. All right, Forever Forward again, 60, and the McLaren Swoosh is what I'm going to call it. I don't know if that's what it's called or not. This one has a glass roof. What's this one? McLaren GT. Okay. Grand Tourer? Is that what it means? How much grand touring are you going to do in a McLaren? No, we missed the top one, not quite. Yeah, there we go. All right. And they're out. Screws are out. So this is the same type of box as all Wellies in 124. Same shape, same form, just not green. For McLaren, obviously. All right, I'll put that away so it's not in the way. This one had plastic holding down the front. Can we get this one open? Nope. Wow. No. Okay. We're not meant to get in there. All right. Doors are held though. I may be able to use a bit of sticky or something to grab that front and pick it up, but I'm not actually too worried about it. It's not like the engine's in there. All right. Silver wheels. Are they the same size as that? They might be the actual same mold. No, it has more spokes. Okay. The glass looks good. Doors, same thing. Yep. Up. Oh, now this has a solid door. And that's as far as I can go? Yeah, it is. Okay. Well, you would have trouble squeezing in there. At least I would. Same with the other side. No, okay. See, that one actually goes up higher. Let's have a look at that. See how the right-hand side is up higher? The left-hand side is getting caught on something. I'll tell you what, though. I'm not going to force it, because I only have one of these, and I cannot buy any more off the shelf because they're all out. I'm guessing the front does open. I can't get into it. Let's shut that door. Looking inside, we have sticker elements on the cluster. Three clusters in there, almost like 2 round dials and something. Fully black interior, no engine on this one. It's covered over by something. So let's see if we can go back there. Okay, now I'll get that one back down. So that door holds nicely. Steering wheel does move underneath. 4723. Yep, McLaren GT. Scale 124. Look, they're nice cars, and to be honest, I don't think they'll go very well on the shelf. 60-year thing on it, Forever Ford. I'm going to probably also modify the second one of these that I have to change the color, maybe even take the wheels out and paint it something completely different. Maybe, unless I take the wheels and put them on something else. Look how much higher this sits. This almost looks like it's a different scale, or this is so much smaller. Makes me wonder. How does that look? I don't know. Let's move you guys down there. You can see that one sits higher than the other. Probably not from that view. Look, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will continue bringing out some of my collection and all the new stuff that I've been able to pick up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.